Okay, do you like smash burgers and do you like tacos? Let's put them together. So good. Let's take a look. All right, so now we're gonna take our meat and we're gonna make about 2 ounces of meat here. So put it loosely on there. Wow, 1.8, so that's pretty good. I'm gonna take that up and just loosely put it into a ball. We're not gonna get crazy with it. It's not gonna be tight like a meatball. We're gonna loosely make it into a ball. And that's simple as that. Throw it on your scale. Got 2 ounces of meat. Because we're gonna make these with street taco size tortillas. So you don't need a ton of meat, but you're gonna need to make a good amount of meatballs. All right, we're about to do our last burger right here. We got 20 meatballs made. We gotta get this mess cleaned up and then let's kid into the toppings. We'll cut those up. All right, let's get our toppings cut. We're gonna start with this onion. Real quick, easy thing on an onion, you just literally cut it in half. Nice and simple. I'm gonna put that flat. You're gonna peel, make sure you peel the layers off. This makes it a little bit quick and easy, especially when you don't need the whole onion, but you can peel this off so you're not cutting up that gross stuff. And I don't know about you guys, but it's been hard for me to peel an onion, so I always cut it in half to make it nice and easy. So let's get this taken care of. Got the root there, and we're gonna make our tiny cuts right in here. We're gonna make our tiny cuts along here. Just watch your fingers. Make sure you use a sharp knife. Got our tiny cuts. I'm gonna take it sideways, cut it there, cut it there, cut it down there, cut it here. A lot of cutting going on, and then we're just gonna lean into it and chop. Just like that. Just like that. And you get our nice diced onion for our smashed taco burgers. All right, let's get our onions off the board and we'll put them in this nice little cute bowl and we will start on our tomato. All right, we got our tomato. Let's get this sliced up. I like tomatoes on my burger. Are you a tomato person? I don't know. Some people aren't, some people are. I am a big fan of it. Let me know in the comments below if you guys are a tomato person or not. I know it's a big divide in the cooking world. Just kidding. All right, we got our tomato cut. So we got that, set that aside. All right, let's do our avocado. So we're gonna get that sliced up. Cut it in half. Avocado season. Try not to kill our hands. Put that apart. And then we're gonna just, easy enough, we're gonna slice this up into here. Make it nice and sliced and diced. Easy cuts. Making sure we're not cutting our hands through that, and we will spoon that out. We gotta get rid of our nut, so let's get rid of our nut. Get our nut out of there. Same kind of thought process. Gonna cut down those lines, make nice in cubes, slivers, whatever you like. And we're gonna put that on our burgers as well. All right, now let's do our lettuce. People like lettuce on their burgers. Yum, yum. Let's take a piece of that head right there. Put the other piece over here with the onions. And let's get to chopping our lettuce. It's how I chop lettuce. It's very eloquent. So I'm a professional internet chef, not a real chef in real life. I still have my day job. But that's all your lettuce. We got your lettuce, we got your tomato, we got your avocado, we got your onion. All right, no smash burger taco would be complete without a burger sauce. So we're gonna make a burger sauce real quick. We're gonna do a half a cup of mayo. I'll put it right in here, like so. Put that bad boy, half a cup. And in here. And then we're gonna do a fourth a cup of ketchup, because why not? That's how I make the burger sauce. My kids love this sauce. I got 5 kids, 4 girls and a boy, and they love Dad's burger sauce. We don't tell them how we make it. We tell them it's the secret sauce Dad makes. So then we're gonna do 2 teaspoons of pickled relish, sweet pickled relish. So we don't, hopefully they won't watch this so they won't figure it out. I'll make that nice in there. Then we're gonna do 2 teaspoons of sugar. So everybody loves sugar. So let's get that out of there. 1 and 2. All right, then we're gonna do 2 teaspoons of distilled white vinegar to round it off here. Let's get that going. Put it over here. 1 and a 2. And then, of course, you got to add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. I'm not going to measure that. We're going to do that by feel. I'm a little more peppery person, so we're going to put a little pepper in there. We'll take our whisk, and we're going to make our burger sauce. It's similar to the mac sauce, similar to Thousand Island. A little bit sweeter. I think that's why the kids love it. A little bit sweeter sauce. Look at that sauce in there. Yummy, yummy. So we got that sauce made. Let's try it. Because, yeah, that's good. You got to try everything when you cook. Otherwise, how do you know it tastes good? Let's get to cooking. Hey, if you enjoy what we're cooking today, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn those notifications on. I'll be uploading videos weekly, getting you brand new cooks on the grill. So let's get back to cooking. Okay, we got the grill on, and now it is time to cook. We got a couple tools. We got our smasher, which we're gonna need, provides that weight to smash those tacos down, and we got our street taco tortillas. Those are the best tortillas to use. I'm using the whole sweet Hawaiian roll. We're gonna get a little sweet tonight. On temps, just make sure you're not on low. You can go on high, that'll make it quick faster. I do medium high. I don't take internal tips of the actual grill. I mean, some people do. It could be like 500 degrees, but I would go just put it on straight medium, and let's get to cooking. All right, let's get to cooking. So I'm gonna put a little oil on, a little olive oil, avocado, whatever you like to use. Gonna smooth that out on our grill. Our grill going. Get it all greased up and ready to go. And then we're going to take our burgers. I'm going to place them out here. Get that nice sizzle. Little smash burger tacos. Pretty simple and easy. I got 20 of them because my family is cooking for 10 tonight. So we're going to start there. Real simple. Take our tortilla, put it on top, smash it down. Yeah, get it nice and good on there. Same thing. Take our tortilla, smash it down. Nice. Little wiggle wiggle at the end. Get that nice sound. Remember, you got to get the wiggle wiggle at the end. That's the signature move right there. Trademarked by Big Puffin Eats. Wiggle wiggle. Smash that down and let those cook. There we go. Listen to that sizzle. That's how you know your grill was ready. Yeah. All right, let's flip these over. Now, these could stick. That's totally fine. Look at that. Oh, that's yummy. Those are all good. That's what you want to see on that tortilla. All that meat juice. It tastes good in your mouth. All right, now we're going to put the cheese on. Let this get a little warmed up. I'm going to turn our grill down to low. We don't need it on high because it's already cooked. Going to get this cheese on here. And this one's already sticking in nice and melty. All right, let's get these made. We got 8 so far. Let's get them all made up. So we're going to put our onions, a little bit of onion on each one. Get them all dialed. Got to have onion in your burger, smash burger taco. And then, of course, you got to have your special sauce we made. So we got to put that on. Everybody loves a special sauce. I mean, I do. Saucier the better. It just tastes good. Why would you not? You know, get all that in there. Each one. There we go. And we're going to put our tomato. Our tomato in there. Make these up nice. We got 2 people that don't like tomatoes, so we'll keep that out. We got to put our avocado. Nice little avi in here. That's right, I call it avi. It's a little bit easier. You know, I just make up words. Works out well. All right. The avocado. I'm gonna overload this bad boy. Yummy, yummy. And then we gotta put our lettuce, because you know what I mean? A little bit of lettuce right on top. That's a good one right there. I don't care who you are. That's a good looking smashed taco. All right, we got all these made up. I gotta try these things. This look good. I haven't had dinner and it is late. As you can see, we're getting darker. So we're gonna take a bite and see how this thing goes. Oh my gosh. All right, let's do it. Oh, so good. Highly recommend this. This is amazing. Give me 1 second. That's pure joy. Highly recommend you guys making this. I appreciate you sticking around for the cook, and I'll catch you in the next cook. Thanks.